Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a non-dairy milk alternative that you can use in a ton of different ways, then I want to show you one that I really like. This is from Pacific Foods, and this is an organic almond unsweetened non-dairy beverage or almond milk, and it is really nice. It tastes delicious. I love to use this in a smoothie as the liquid base, and I think it adds a really nice, slightly nutty flavor to it that's not overpowering, but it's just really delicious. I also love that it's organic, and it's something that I just always keep in my pantry in case I need it. I don't have to have dairy-free foods, but sometimes I just prefer it. And I have a lot of friends that are dairy-free, and so I like to have it on hand when I'm cooking or baking for them. So if you're looking for a non-dairy alternative to milk, then I would recommend this from Pacific Foods. I think it's really delicious, and that's my point of view.